Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Hannah. Today we are going through and cleaning out my fridge because later on in the video I'm going to have a grocery haul. I'm going to show you everything I got at the grocery. I went to Kroger, and that way our fridge can be nice and clean for the new groceries we're about to put in it. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. Tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. I'm going to show you what I got at the grocery today. Sorry for the noise in the background, it's the dishwasher. But I went to Kroger and spent $391. So I'm going to show you everything I've got. I got some eggs, thing of bananas, some red delicious apples, thing of organic blueberries, some yellow onions, a thing of vegetable oil, some syrup, a thing of potatoes, we got some skim milk, and the silk almond milk, a thing of crescent rolls, two things of biscuits, some white chocolate mocha. I've never tried this kind. I'll let you know how I like it. Two things of Go-Gurt. We got the frozen and SpongeBob. We got all kinds of pizza or of Lunchables. There's pizza, ham, bologna, and nachos. Those are for my son to take to school for lunch. We got some Colby Jack shredded cheese, two things of that. Thing of mozzarella shredded cheese, cinnamon rolls, I think of carrots, Some Kroger brand sliced cheese. I think of Fisher bacon. We got some pizza rolls and these are our favorite french fries, seasoned french fries. We got some organic basil, pepperonis. My kids love just plain pepperonis. Some hot dogs, some oven roasted chicken breast, lunch meat. I think of frozen chicken, some chicken patties, some chicken nuggets. We got some of the rainbow twirls pasta, Kroger brand, Kroger brand scalloped potatoes. We got Kraft macaroni and cheese, and then we got the Kraft cauliflower pasta macaroni and cheese. Think of Cheerios, some of the Kroger brand pasta salad. Let's see, we got cheddar broccoli noodles, and we got the cheddar broccoli rice. Some more cheddar broccoli rice. More cheddar broccoli rice. And then another thing of the cheddar broccoli noodles. I got a thing of the Kroger long grain white rice. I got some Kroger brand curly fries. I got some, I was running low on coffee, so I got some of the Folgers Classic Roast. I got 2 things of Kroger brand baking soda, some roasted garlic Alfredo sauce, the Concord grape preserves, creamy ranch dressing, some Kroger brand barbecue sauce. Here's another thing of the barbecue sauce. Some Ortega taco sauce. Some Kroger ketchup. Big thing of Kroger brand applesauce. This is with cinnamon. Let's see. We got a big thing of tomato and basil spaghetti sauce. 2 things of this red gold tomato paste, and 2 things of the red gold tomato sauce. I think of sweetened condensed milk. I love putting this in my iced coffee. It's so good. Some 2 things of beef broth. A thing of refried beans. Some chicken broth, sliced carrots, and some whole baby carrots. Then we got some Kroger peanut butter. And then all these packets, we got 2 things of this peppered gravy mix. My husband loves this. Some original chili mix. 2 things of that. And then I got 3 things of the brown gravy mix. Or 4 things of it. We got some Kroger spaghetti. And then I thought about giving this a try. From maybe my kids will eat it. Get them some more vegetables in their diet. This is just the Kroger brand crackers. They're kind of like Ritz crackers. And then some of the Kroger brand Cheez-Its. I got some thing of chili powder. Some of the onion powder and garlic powder. I got some baby oatmeal cereal, 2 things of that, and then some of the rice cereal. And I did get my son some of these to take to school for lunch and snack. They're kind of like goldfish, I guess, but that Kroger Simple Truth brand. Thing of marshmallows, because my kids love snacking on these. Some of the Kroger, glare. Oh, there we go. Toasty peanut butter crackers. Some Kroger brand non-stick spray, just the vegetable kind. Some Kroger brand pudding for my son to take to school. Got some bagels. Don't mind the pizza. Some corn chips and let's put that down. Some Kroger brand pretzels, and then some Kroger brand Cheetos. Hamburger buns, hot dog buns, a thing of sandwich bread, just white sandwich bread, 2 things of bunny wheat bread, and a thing of tortillas. Now move on to the drinks. I got some of these to try. I don't know, hopefully they're good. It's just the Kroger brand seltzer water, and it's cranberry lime flavored. So I'll let you know how I like those. And then we got 3 things of the Kroger citrus drop, a thing of the Kroger Dr. K. I got these Capri Sun Roaring Waters Capri Sun thing, like juices for my son to take to school for lunch and snack. We got the fruit punch and the grape Casper. We got fruit punch juicy juice, apple juicy juice. Got some unbleached bread flour and some granulated sugar. And then we got tons of beech nut baby food. Just different kinds. And then I got 7 of these Good Start Gentle formulas. Okay, now let's get all these groceries put away.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind?
I did forget, I did get a thing of ice cream. I went ahead and put it in the freezer because it was melting.
Your dark hair because eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. There will always be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.
'Cause you are